down to the next pool.
Double hook up! Yes! Big wave!
The ripper.
Yes! Woo! Double hook up!
Fuck, I knew I was
Double hook up! What the fuck? Come on, buddy! Yeah! Yes! Yep. That's it, mate. Yeah! Oh! He's a cracker! He's a cracker! Woo! Yeah! You can check this out! Big wave! Slaying into them on the Tongariro, yes! Get him, mate! You have to probably land him down the bottom. He's going to fucking take you. The best way to do it is to go right down. He's going to take you. You know. Whoa! Yeah! If he wants to go, let him go. Yeah. That's all right, mate. He's going to go right down. That's all good. We'll land him down below. Yeah. Just let him get right out in the current so he's well out in there. And you get... Oh, Hinsey's landing his one. Big wave, Dave's still slow. What was that? Look at it, Dave, look at it. Watch out for Hinsey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Woohoo! Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, come down here. Fuck. Hinsey doesn't need to. This is more important than that. Oh yeah! He's in the main pool. It's as good as in. It's a fucking corker. A corker. Big wave. Slaying into his first big Tongariro rainbow. Woo! Go, big wave. Oh, Greybeard's on the netting duties. No pressure, Greybeard. Woo! Get. Yeah, mate. Just let him go. If he wants to go, let him go. Yeah! Oh, mate, it's a good fish. Be a solid 4 or 5 pounder, I reckon. Could be a 5 pounder, eh? Look, huge. Woo! Big fish. Come down, Greybeard. Get it below him. Yeah. Yes, please. Oh, okay. I could probably do, yeah, keep the tension on him. Yeah, you're all good. You're all good. You're all good, mate. Fuck, you're all good, buddy. Slaying into his first big bow. Oh, it's a whopper. Oh, yes. We're 2 minutes 43 into the fight. Oh, yeah. Holy shit. I reckon you want to take him downstream a bit more, Dave. Keep bringing him down. Yeah. Yeah, you want more in this shallower sort of shit. Getting schooled by his first big Tongariro rainbow. Oh yeah. 3 minutes 11 into the battle. Oh, far out. Too good. Woo, the boys. Woo. Big wave.
Yeah, make sure you keep this fucking video.
Oh, I've got it, mate. I've got it. Yeah. The cutting of the teeth trophy winner. Here he is. Oh, he just looks so good.
Really nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
It's a cracker.
What a worthy.
Get him. Oh, look at him. No, mate.
Amazing.
Oh, big wave slaying into the Tongariro rainbows. What do you reckon, buddy? Pretty good. Greybeard, no pressure on the netting, buddy.
I'm gonna get wet.
Ah, you might have to. Oh no, it's going to be good. Well, someone else with gumboots could do it. Unzi could do it. Unzi, you're on the netting.
I've been subbed out.
Yep.
Boots on.
4 minutes 15 into the battle. 4 minutes 15 into the battle. Get him! Come down. Oh, just easy, Uns. Be careful, Unzi. Fucking hell!
That's it. That's it.
Yes! 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 Great success! Oh my God! Woo! Look at that fish! Oh! Let's go, Dave! Woo! Come and check this out, buddy. Oh, mate, look at that! Woo! Oh, I'm gonna go take a couple photos. Oh my gosh!
That's amazing. Look at
Wow!